So there's two ways to run Mocha tests. You can run it from the command line using your test runner. Right now I'm using Gulp, and I've got a task in it that I've created that will run my Mocha tests. So if I go to Gulp, I've got this task here. It's called specs, and I've got this higher level task called tests that will set up my watcher and also run my specs and also build. So in my package.json, I've got a test script called test that runs in my Gulp test task you just saw. So if I go to the terminal, I can run that. I'll run my tests in the directory I specified, which was, I told it to run my tests here. It's actually running my tests after it builds in the build directory. It's not running the tests in the core regular standard uncompiled code. It's running it in the compiled build directory. Another thing you can do is run it via the Webstorm test runner. So if I go to up here, I can create a configuration for that. So I want to create a new configuration. I want to do a Mocha configuration. I want to do call it whatever, all tests in this case. Make sure it knows what node version to use, what node package to use, interpreter, and then make sure you put in the options so that it transpiles any ES6 code you have in down back to ES5. And then that's pretty much it. It should be able to run your test now. So if you hit the play button or Command D on your keyboard, it runs your tests. You should also be able to put a breakpoint in here and debug. So you hit debug, and that should hit your breakpoint.